2012 National Treasures. Football.
Yep.
Pick of the litter.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
Well, I had a customer standing next to me right here, and he said it was probably the time Okay, buddy. Yeah, no kidding. Hey, what did it
Box within a box within a box.
really? So he didn't get it? Okay.
Base card, Vernon Davis.
Vernon Davis, #1 card.
Yeah, don't grade it.
Okay. Ryan Fitzpatrick, #2. 99.
That's kind of cool. Old school. Hank Stram.
Wow,
Hank Stram,
that's a lot of money.
249.
49.
There you go.
That's kind of nice. This is nice too, right here.
Okay, man. All right, bye-bye.
Jerry Rice.
Jerry Rice. Jersey,
40.
#40. 40.
440. NFL gear. Rookie. Ryan Broyles.
Ryan Broyles. 3-piece.
Jersey, and that's number 49.
Okay. You can smell the paint on these boxes.
Alright, first autograph here. Rookie. Titans. Mike Martin.
Mike Martin, #2.
99.
Okay.
There's a nice patch.
That's a nice patch.
Emmitt Smith.
Ooh, Emmett.
Yeah.
Haven't seen one of his yet. With the Cardinals.
Yeah. Number 49. Prime patch.
Nice.
There's a Colts rookie autograph. Just not the right one.
T.Y. Hilton.
The 299.
Okay.
It's a nice patch too. Roddy White.
Roddy White.
Nice patch.
Number written 84 on there. 2-color
Oh,
patch.
2 of 5.
2 of 5. Nice card.
Pretty
Nice
short.
card.
Pretty short print. Wow, there's another autograph down in there. Look at that. A Michael James.
James,
Very nice.
Michael
That's on the
James.
card too.
That is nice.
Very nice.
#2, Super Bowl player.
50.
50.
Sweet. That's a good card right there. The last base card is John Randall.
John Randall.
/99.
There's the box.